What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create cinematic photos from your gallery photos using Google Gemini for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. You can do this on both your desktop or cell phones, okay? So go to Google Gemini, click into this plus button, upload files, select the photo that we would like to upload. Into this video, we're going to learn how to turn this photo out of this photo right here. Or maybe how to turn this photo into this one, okay? And all into a very simple way. Let's get things started. Upload files. Select the photo that you would like to customize. And enter with this code line. Pause the video so you can copy the code, okay? And before I can continue, on tools right here, we're gonna click and select create image, okay? This is important. After, all we have to do is submit your request. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to transform, okay? And here is the result we got. Let's try another one. There's one right here. Same command. Submit. And here is the result we got. Let's try again with another picture. As you cannot see, every single time you try, you get a different result. So you can keep trying even using the same prompt in order to get different results until you got the perfect result. Maybe for your profile picture, maybe for your LinkedIn, or just to have fun, okay? And here is the result I got. Simple, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!